In this lesson, you will learn how authors use text and graphic features to present important parts of the story in different ways. First, we will look at text features. Authors can use different kinds of type to show emphasis or indicate a title. The first one we'll look at is boldface. Boldface is thicker. It shows emphasis or indicates a title. The second kind is italic. Italic text leans to the right. It means pay attention or read with more feeling. The next type is large text. Large text may be more important than smaller text. Authors may also use color. Text in a different color might add interest or fun. The last kind of type we will look at is all capital letters. Capital letters show importance or indicate a title or heading. In addition to different kinds of type, authors can use punctuation. Punctuation marks such as ellipses, em dashes, and colons can indicate important text will follow. Authors will also use graphic features. Graphic features are visuals, such as illustrations, diagrams, maps, and speech bubbles that help explain ideas in the text. Text and graphic features are visuals that you can look for in everything you read. Authors add them to increase your understanding of the words on the page.